How to make your Pinterest account public. So if you want to make your Pinterest account public, all you have to do is, if your account is private because you have chosen to hide your profile visibility, open the Pinterest app, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen, which is your account icon, then again tap on your profile picture from the top left of the screen there. From there you'll find this second option that says profile visibility. So you want to go there, and if you have both of these options enabled, all you have to do is just turn off search privacy and then turn off private profile. So after you've done this, basically your account will be converted from private to public, and as a result all of your pins, boards, everything will be public and people will be able to find it even on search engines. This way you will be able to make your Pinterest account public. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.